It's your boy,
Isaac. So this is one of our first vlogs, I guess, that we're gonna start doing.
It's an experiment.
I don't know. It's a little bit of a trial and error because, you know, we posted on both of our Instagrams. Who would want to see this? And there was a few haters out there. I'm just kidding.
Robert.
No.
Fanny.
Those are jokes.
Alejandra.
But there were people on there that were actual haters. One in particular. Sorry. Keep hating.
Chacho.
Those are all jokes. If they really saw us doing this and succeeding, they wouldn't mind. Clara said yes. She was all like, I'm only doing it because I like you guys. You guys.
And we really hope you guys enjoy our fucking crazy antics that we do together. Fuck you, man!
Pero, yeah. We're going to the beach today. Beach. I'm so, like, conscious of everybody, like, watching me. Look at me. You looking at me? But anyways, we're going to the beach today. Just a little spontaneous trip just to get out since I'm off of work. Finally, I love these Sundays off.
And I'm a 9 to 5 boy.
Hey vlog, it's us back again. So you got a few clips from my phone, but
there's a fucking couple like yelling at the top of their lungs at the fucking beach.
They are fighting each other right now. It is like, what the fuck? And mind you, all these people are coming next to us, and I can't turn this around. I hope y'all heard that. She said, act like it. Tú cállate.
So awkward.
She is standing over there like she is Wonder Woman. Oh, that highlight is glowing.
Maybe if your dick represented your personality, maybe we'd be fine.
Gee, oh my god. I hope we post this on YouTube.
People recording close.
No.
What's the problem?
Isaac, no. Okay.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, we need to pack.
I'm not pick me up. I'm scared.
I'm not pick me up. I'm scared. I'm over here in Half Moon Bear's name, bitch. Please help.
She walked away from her.
Oh, bitch is big mad.
She looks like that fucking dude. Like that girl from I'm gonna walk by the dude and be like, can't have them all, buddy.
No, you better not say shit. We're walking past and we're going to the car. I have to go to the bathroom. Okay. Well, bye vlog. We'll update y'all on any tea when we get back to the car.
Act like it. Then act like it, babe.
I act like I'm 5. What's up, y'all? So it's been like maybe a month later, and we're finally finishing this video. But thank y'all for watching what our like second vlog. It's supposed to be our first one, but it's the second one. Pretty good though. Got a little bit of tea or whatever up in there.
We took so long to fucking edit it because stupid ass InShot hit me up. I hit them up on Instagram and they didn't want to fix my video.
Oh.
Anyways, thank you for watching our videos. Give a thumbs up. Don't subscribe. We don't want y'all subscriptions anyways. And come watch more of our videos.
Anyways. Block out whatever he said. But subscribe to our channel. Please show us some more love how y'all been doing. Some of y'all out there, I've been seeing y'all. Love it. Thank you. Appreciate it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That was our vlog. This is the end of it, and hopefully we'll see y'all in our next video.